Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change which website URL step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually you can see this is website we have. There is a couple of websites we have in here. So I will go any of them. So I will just click on select an edit site. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to the dashboard. Once I come over here, then I just need to go to the setting. Once I click over that place, it will give me a couple of options. From that place, I will just click on this website setting. You will find out underneath this option site domain, and as you just click one website setting, and here actually you can change the site address URL, get a brand domain so visitor can easily find your site or edit your free Wix domain. So I hope right now you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.